Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're doing a craft for your favorite graduate. I've noticed a trend in the last few years that tops of graduation caps are getting more and more decorated. Well, we could use puffy paint, but I think HTV is going to give us a really classy look. So graduation caps present a few strategic difficulties, but nothing we can't overcome. Because it's made of inflexible material, we can't put a Teflon pillow under it to get the pressure that we need. And because of this button on top of it, we have to do something. So there's two options that I can think of. The first is to use a home iron and just go around the top piece by piece, or to use your heat press and just do 4 presses like this right up against the button right here. I don't know if you can see that black button on my black paint, but I could 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually there's a third option to make your decal small enough that it can go on just one of those corners. And then we can just do 1 press, but still it will be on the corner with this heat press. So I'm gonna line this up just right. Right on the edge of that button. And we're gonna do 300 degrees for 15 seconds.